So our eyes are protected by eyelids and eyelash, and they protect our eyes from dust and dirt. Okay, eyelids and eyelash. Eyelid, it protect our eyes, and eyelash also protect our eyes from dust and dirt. Next is ears. We hear sound through our ears. The sound of an object enters the outer ear and travels through the middle and inner ear. So our ear is divided into three parts. Outer ear, see the picture. This is the outer ear. Okay. This is the outer ear. Sound is collected here. It passes through this hole. Okay. It goes and reaches to the eardrum, and there according to sound it vibrates and we can listen the words. Okay, and this ear is divided into three parts. This is the outer, inside it is middle and the inner ear. From there it is sent to the brain by the nerves. So the sound what reaches to our eardrum, it is collected and it is uh, collected and it is transformed through nerves and reaches to the brain. Ears also help us to keep our balance. So ear helps our body in balancing also. This is an important function of the ear, that our ears also help in balancing our body. Next is nose. Nose help us to smell different objects. In the upper part of our nose, there are endings of nerves which are sensitive to smell. So here you can see the picture. Okay, this picture you can see. This is our nostril. Through this we breathe air, and this here at the upper part of the nostril there are presence of nerve endings. Okay, so they collect the smell there, and they are sensitive to smell. They send the message to the brain, and the brain tells us what the smell is. So here the nerve endings collect the smell and takes it to the brain, and their brain send message that what smell it is. Okay, so any sense or any feeling, it is carried through nerves. It carries through nerves. It reaches to this brain. So the message is any these sense organs carry messages and message directly to the brain. Okay, and brain again tells us that what we are seeing, what we are hearing, what we are smelling. Now see, when we have a blocked nose, no air can reach the nerve endings and we cannot smell. So generally during cough and cold, we cannot smell anything, and at that time we do not feel any taste in our mouth also. Okay, because taste is also connected with our smelling sense. See here, the sense of smell and taste are linked. Our food does not taste good if we cannot smell it because of a blocked nose. So our sense of smell and taste, it is linked. Okay. So if our nose is blocked, we cannot smell and we cannot taste the food.